In the previous episode, you became a master of French numbers up to 100. You survived 70, you made peace with 80, and you probably developed opinions about 70 and 90. Well, buckle up, because today we're leveling up from hundreds to thousands to millions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say things like, I paid 349,000 euros for cheese, in French. Ready? On y va. The good news, French is logical here. 100, and then you add numbers. 100, 200, 300, 400. Yes, you add an S with multiples of 100, but it disappears when followed by another number. For example, 200, 201, no S. French, making grammar spicy since forever. Numbers like 134, you simply stack them. 134, 286, 399. No magic, just stamina. Mille, and it has no plural S, even for multiples. 2000, 10 000, 15 000. Yes, mille is chill. Unlike 100, it doesn't believe in plural drama. French numbers get long but not complicated. For example, 1234, 5678, 20001. Notice how everything is just stuck together like linguistic Lego. 10 000, 30 000, 55 000, 77,767. That last one did look scary, but now you can say it. 100 000, 200 000, 450 000. Simple pattern. Hundreds plus mille. En millions. Unlike mille, millions do get plurals. 2 millions, 15 millions, and here's how they continue. 2 345 679. If you just sighed out loud, that is correct. 100 sounds like cent, not cent. Mille, it's a soft E, not meal. Million sounds almost like English, million. When you see long numbers, break them into pieces. Mille, cent, tens, units. Your brain will thank you. You're at a French art auction. The auctioneer yells, 1,125,000 euros. You pretend you understand, you nod wisely, you drink your overpriced champagne. But now you actually know it means 1,125,000 euro. Wealthy? No. Multilingual? Absolutely. Say these numbers. 101, 547, 1000, 12,345, 999,999. If you can say number 5 without crying, you're unstoppable. Et voilà! Now you know French numbers from 1 to 1,000,000 and beyond, including how to build hundreds, thousands, and millions with confidence. From shopping to banking to bragging about imaginary lottery winnings, you are officially number fluent in French. If this lesson helped you survive the gigantic numbers, like the video, subscribe for more fun French lessons, comment a huge number in French. Be brave. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt for another language adventure.